Welcome back to 3 weeks of WET. This week I want to show you WET's Hydroperiod module, which shows us how long water persists on the landscape within each year. So a little background on the science here. While some wetlands contain water all year round, others are only flooded for parts of the year. And that length of time is called a wetland's hydroperiod. And within the Wetland Evaluation Tool, we split wetlands into 3 lengths of hydroperiod. There are temporary wetlands, which are relatively brief. They're only flooded for 2 months of the year or less. There are seasonal wetlands, which are flooded between 2 and 9 months out of the year. And finally, there are semi-permanent wetlands, which contain water the longest for 9 months out of the year or more. And these hydroperiod differences can be super important for species that depend on wetlands. So let's get into the hydroperiod module to see what this looks like. Today, we'll use the area north of Bear Lake in Idaho as an example. So let's compare this area in May, during the generally wetter springtime, to September in the fall, which tends to be drier. By moving this slider, I can see that a lot of the temporary and seasonal wetlands, marked in pink and green, that exist in this valley in May, dry up by September, leaving mostly the longest lasting semi-permanent wetlands in blue. Now, we know that WET is an even more powerful tool when it's backed up with real-world observations from your area, but we hope that the big picture view that this tool provides can allow land managers to compare what they're seeing on the ground throughout the year to the trends shown within WET.